Top 5 indicators for intraday stock trading. Intraday stock traders rely on effective tools to navigate the market. This presentation highlights 5 key indicators that can help spot trends and identify reversals in fast-moving markets. These indicators provide insights into potential price movements, helping traders make informed decisions. Moving averages. Why it's useful. Smooths price data. Identifies trends and reversals. SMA or EMA helps spot momentum shifts. How to use. Look for crossovers for buy-sell signals. Use as dynamic support resistance. Relative Strength Index, RSI. Overbought, oversold. Measures overbought, above 70, or oversold below 30 conditions. Potential reversals indicates potential price reversals. Combine with price action, buy when RSI exits oversold territory, confirmed by candlestick patterns. Bollinger Bands. Volatility. Shows volatility and potential breakout points. Overextension. Prices touching breaking bands signal overextension. Reversal. Prices touching breaking bands signal potential reversal. Volume weighted average price. VWAP. Benchmark. Benchmark for intraday traders. Average price. Shows average price weighted by volume. Institutional key. Key level for institutional traders. MACD. Moving average convergence divergence. Momentum. Tracks momentum. Trend. Tracks trend direction. Crossover uses MACD line and signal line crossover, combining indicators. No isolation, no single indicator works alone. Trading style. Adapt to your trading style. Test on a demo account. Key takeaways. MA, RSI, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, and MACD are valuable indicators. Combine them and adapt to your trading style. Test your strategies on a demo account first.